Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research time for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of Al Haramain. House of Al Haramain is one of the biggest, if not the biggest, Middle Eastern perfume houses, and I emphasize on houses because it's a true house, because they make everything themselves from a very raw material to the end product. So there are true house and there are niche house because they don't make anything else. They only make perfumes and some perfume products like candles and things like that in on the side as well, and they have one of the most extensive perfume lineup in the Middle East. They've been around for more than 50 years, and I unboxed and reviewed many of their fragrances before, and they are very good for what you pay and what you get in terms of quality, in terms of longevity, in terms of presentation. Everything is top notch for the price you pay. So in this video, Al Haramain, they send this to me for transparency, for review. I am not this is not a sponsored video. I didn't get paid. I didn't tell me what to say. All the opinions are mine, and this is sent to me a few weeks back. So thank you very much, Al Haramain, for sending me for review. Anyway, so this perfume in particular called Bon Cherry or Bon Cherry, Al Haramain Bon Cherry Violet. Bon Cherry Violet Extrait De Parfum, as 100 ml, and is targeted unisex. As always with House of Al Haramain, very good presentation for the price. This one retails for £70 or something like that, £75. And very thick plastic box. As always, very nice design. It's embossed. It says Bon Cherry Violet Extrait De Parfum 100 ml. And let's do the unboxing. Sorry about the noise. Oh, actually it's a very thick cardboard box. It's not plastic. So it opens like this, and as always the presentation is top notch. Very super heavy bottle. Wow, this is like 2 kilos of bottle. The cap is very heavy. It's about half a kilo. The cap is pure metal, and it says Al Haramain since 1970 on it. Very heavy cap, and it's nicely polished, and it's a gold color. This is all gold apart from the glass itself, which is violet color or pinkish color, pink to purple color. And as you can see, it looks like a crystal more than that, like glass. It's very heavy, and also it's very thick and dense, and it has got some facet to the glass. It's like when they the diamond, when they cut it, they have facet. This one's got facet to it as well. Very nicely designed. It's 100 ml, and let's see the atomizer. It's all gold plus the pink violet color or pink purple color. Here we go, atomizer. Look at this. The atomizer is beautiful. It's pressurized. Very good, fantastic. All right, so presentation is top notch, for especially for a price for £75. And this is Extrait De Parfum, so it's much denser than just Eau de Parfum. It's around 30 to 35% oil in here, so I'm expecting it to be very thick and dense, and it is. Wow, it's filling the room. Woo, holy moly. All right, this is very strong. Wow, I should have put less. Okay, it's so strong, it's overwhelming. All right, very nice. Oh, sweet. All right, let's go. Sweet, floral and powdery. Little bit of fruitiness, not much at the moment. It's little bit of zestiness, fruitiness to it as well. and it's quite musky as well in the same time, very very musky. So for the first sniff, first impression, it opened up beautifully, like a very high quality perfume. Okay, it doesn't smell alcohol, it doesn't smell harsh, it doesn't smell synthetic. Or, obviously there are some synthetic elements in here, but what I mean by not synthetic is that it doesn't smell harsh or chemical or anything like that. It smells like a beautiful perfume. Okay, so it's very very nicely done, it's very rounded, it's very well done, it's very smooth. Holy moly, this is gorgeous. I smell something leathery in the background, hint of leather in here as well, and also it's quite woody, hint of spiciness to it. I'm not sure what kind of spice. Is it a nutmeg? It's got a little bit of nuttiness to it. It's nutty, is maybe a little bit of almond in here. Yeah, it's nutty, so it could be either from nuts like almond or hazelnut, something like that, or it could be from tonka bean. Could be a tonka bean in here as well. Smells like tonka bean more. Yeah, it smells like tonka bean to me. So it smells like tonka bean, and also a little of fruitiness and musky, floral, very very full-bodied floral right now. And the floral in here, as it says violet, I can smell some violet, and it's powdery, and also I can smell something like jasmine in as well. Jasmine, violet, maybe even something like lily of the valley, because it's quite powdery. Although violet itself is quite powdery, but this is on the powdery side of things, at least for this first sniff, first impression. All right, let's see what they say in terms of the let's see, Haramain, sorry about that. Haramain, this is Bone Chérie Violette. Okay, here we go. Alright, so what do we have? So we have bergamot, lemon, nutmeg. I said something nutty in here, and cardamom, as I said, something spicy in here as well. We got lavender, we got cedar, we got ginger and neroli. That white floral feel definitely is here, which is neroli. Although I smell something like violet as well, and also lily of the valley. And in the base we have vetiver, amber, olibanum, and musk, which is, I said, musky in the first place and quite woody. So I was quite in the right place, although there is more to it than what I can smell right now. But it is quite a complex fragrance overall. Beautiful, beautiful. It doesn't give me any gender right now. It's very, very bang in the middle, unisex. Although it is a little bit on the mature side, I would say 25 and up to be in the safe side, because although it's modernized, it's quite modern. When you smell it, it's very, very modern, but it's got classical feel to it because of that spicy, musky, floral, and that nutty feel to it as well. So a little bit of that leathery background as well. So giving it a little bit of classical feel as well. So it's like amalgamation of modern and classic, but very, very elegant, very, very nicely done, very balanced, very good mixture of ingredients in here, and very good perfumery overall. So right now, for a first impression, what I do get from the note breakdown, I get that zestiness from the bergamot and lemon, but I thought also I get something fruity in here as well. So the nutmeg, I get it in a quite a big way, and cardamom, yes, quite spicy. Lavender, I'm smelling something aromatic in here, quite big aromatic, but it's not a clean lavender per se. It's like the lavender is in the background right now, so I smell more white florals and also violet and lily of the valley, to some extent neroli, but I can't smell the lavender very strongly, although it's quite aromatic. The base is vetiver, amber, musk, and olibanum. I'm not getting that much olibanum right now. Yeah, I don't get that much olibanum. Amber, yes, quite ambery feel to it. It's quite resinous, it's quite sticky. Vetiver, I get some green aspect, but the vetiver is, again, is in the background right now. It's quite green, but it's not too green. It's just in the background. and also musk is quite strong in the beginning when it opens up. So yeah, fantastic smell to it. It's very nice. Although this is not a blind buy safe, because it could be particular for some people, but overall is one of those DNA that it's quite universal and almost everybody will like, unless you don't like the ingredients I mentioned. For first impression, yes, it smells nice, smells rounded, smells smooth, it smells high quality, it smells very good perfumery, it smells very good ingredients, and they are the synthetic elements in here are very well mixed and well masked, well protected. That means you don't smell that synthetic in here. So the naturals are quite apparent, but the synthetics are well blended in here that you cannot pick them up. Although I'm sure there are some synthetic elements in here for the price point, £75. You don't expect 100% natural, but to my nose it smells quite natural. Smells very opulent, smells nice, smells beautiful, smells quite wintry to me. Although again, it's one of those smell profile that you can use it all year round, but it's a little bit suited better for cooler weather. And in terms of age, as I said, 25 and up to be on the safe side, because it's quite a complex fragrance, so I don't think a young nose will appreciate it. And in terms of occasion, this is very good for going out, for evening, for close encounter, for dating, for a special occasion and things like that. It's quite nice and opulent. In terms of the value for money, £75 for Extrait De Parfum for such a good quality, I think is worth it. Again, it's up to you. And do I recommend for blind buy? I never do that. I always say try before you buy if you can. Obviously sometimes you can't, and if you know your taste, you know what you like, what you dislike, that is your decision. So it's very important to know what you like and what you dislike. And in perfumes, in scents, in fragrances, it comes with age and it comes with experience. So the more experience you have, the more you realize what kind of fragrances and perfumes you like, and what kind of fragrances and perfumes and also ingredients you don't like. So it comes with experience, so don't rush it. You know, we do these things, I review these things to give you information, to give you indications, to give you guidance, but at the end of the day you need to know what your taste is and what taste is not. For me, this is an absolute beauty. I think it's bang in the middle, unisex, anybody, man and woman can wear it, but again, try before you buy if you can. Okay guys, so for first, yes. In the next video I'll let you know the rest of the story, the longevity, the changes, or things like that. But for now, for first impression, yes. Very good presentation, beautiful bottle, beautiful box, good atomizer, is pressurized, the cap is 0.5 kilo and heavy, the bottle is super heavy. In terms of smell, very nicely done. It's very good ingredients, very good complex ingredients in here, and a very good complex perfumery, plus the very smooth, very rounded, very well done all together. If you have it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. If you want to purchase one of my own perfume, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own line of perfumes. They are in the description as well if you are interested. They are ultra beast mode, one of the highest ingredients you can get for a price. You know me, I'm all about the ratio of what I pay and what I get. I like them to be highest ratio for the value for money to get your perfume from me. Okay guys, thank you very much as always. I'll see you later. Bye.